Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a blue and seafoam green turquoise kind of little graphic liner look. I get bored with the cut creases and they're not really my thing, and I try to have some more interesting looks to post videos of that you can see me do. My hair still needs to be done, so we're not going to judge it. We're going to judge it. This is why I have wigs. I need to fix it. I've been lazy and slacking. But figured this, super bright headband would cover my roots and we could pretend that they're done. Since we got the pink going on here, I don't know. My head's flat in the back, I think, because normal headbands don't like to stay on, so I have to have these little clamp down, little C-shaped headbands, because those ones that tuck up back here just will not stay put for me. I think my head's flat. I don't fucking know. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I did this look and all, which is probably obviously why you're here, just keep watching. I'm just starting out with using my MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in soft ochre as my primer today, so that I get a nice tacky base for my pigment. And I'm going to be using C1 from the Anastasia Norvina 1, Volume 1. I'm using that up at the top just to kind of be my highlight color, but to also help me blend that blue a little better. And the blue I'm going to be using is Swallow from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. Like I said, I forgot to actually videotape me holding these up, showing you what palettes I'm using and everything. So I'm trying to recall them best from my memory. But I'm pretty sure this was the Androgyny palette, because that's one of the best dark teals I have. Now I'm just using a small, precise, round shader to pack in this light, pretty teal blue from the Melt Radioactive palette from Melt Cosmetics. I think I said that right. But this is the color Arsenic, and these two blended perfectly together. Just going into that white, and you have to play around with it, especially using a dark color. But there was tons of blending to really get that light blue to blend with the white and then to the dark blue. Once I'm done with that light blue and white blending together, then I'll go back in on the dark blue. But you don't want to smudge them around too much and muddy up the color and lose pigment. So I try to just blend the edges of where I've packed in that color. I sped this up, but I just wanted to really keep as much there as I could without it taking forever, but to show you just how much you really have to blend with some of these colors to get that vivid payoff. Now, like I said, once I've got that light blue blended away up into the white, I'm going to go back in with my dark blue now, again the Swallow from the Androgyny palette, and start softening up those lines into the light blue. And finally, I'm going to make sure I put some on the bottom back of my eyelids. That way our cut crease isn't left, you know, not colored right there in the back. Just like a normal cut crease. Now with this dark pigment, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to clean up as best as I can where my cut crease is going to be going back in with that white, because when I use my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in Halo, the bright white color, it works great, but when you have these dark bold pigments, it will bleed into that white, so you want to take as much off as possible first, especially using a way brighter color over those dark ones. And I'm just using a concealer brush to carve out that cut crease where we're putting that Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas so that we can apply our green over. The green I'm using is actually a NYX single prismatic color. It's the color Mermaid. This is actually a color I end up using a lot unexpectedly. It's just a gorgeous shimmery bright green, and it took me forever to find a good green that I really wanted to use with this look because I wanted something really, really vivid, and I totally forgot I had this one. Here I'm just using a liner brush with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Medusa. It looks really dark, almost black, like Weirdo, but it's not. I just thought it would contrast a little better, but it ended up not working out too well, so that's when I decided to use some brighter colors with it. But here you can see just how much I fight with my graphic liner and making sure it all looks sharp enough. Now this color is a little bit different. I used Drug Lord, which is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. It's the shade White. I mixed it with a bit of pigment scraped off of my Mermaid NYX shadow from earlier to make this bright green liner that I'm using on my eyes to kind of contrast with that dark color. I really didn't know how I was doing this liner at first when I started it. I was just going to play with it and see where it went. But it ended up a little crazy, which that's how my eyeliner tends to work out. But I just used the Medusa liner to clean up my bright liner, vice versa here, until I was happy with whatever I had going on. And I should also mention, since the Jeffree Velour Liquid Lipsticks are eye safe, I use them in my waterline a lot, and they work amazing for some bright colored waterlines. So I use that same green in my waterline down here to get it to really stand out. Finally, I'm just going back in with that small brush and doing my under waterline, kind of smoking it out with this teal. And I'm going to use the yellow from the Melt Cosmetics Radioactive palette too, with the arsenic color to kind of blend under the bottom. Alright, now that I got my lashes on and everything, these crystal lashes, these lashes are from Crystal Lashes again. These are some of my favorites. I believe these are BFF or 7-Eleven. I hope they're BFF because I like 7-Eleven more. And these guys, after I cleaned them and went to go put them on, I think they're on their last leg. So rest in peace them. These are some of my fucking favorite lashes. They're a little on the pricey side though, and they are mink, but oh, they're huge and they're gorgeous and they're dramatic. It breaks my heart that they're falling, their little hairs are falling out and getting old. But anyway, hey guys, if you liked this video, just give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more tutorials and videos from me, just hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video.